Welcome to your ultimate guide to flawless hair extensions. Achieve that natural, voluminous look you've always dreamed of. Before we begin, let's see the before look. Notice the natural length and volume. We're about to transform this. First, proper preparation is key. We'll start by sectioning your hair precisely to ensure a seamless application. Using a rat tail comb, create clean, horizontal sections across your scalp. This creates a base for your extensions. Next, choosing the right extensions is crucial. Consider different types like clip-ins, tape-ins, or sew-ins based on your preference. Always match the color and texture of your extensions to your natural hair for an undetectable blend. Hold them up to your hair to compare. Now for the application. Take your first weft. We'll place it just below your sectioned hair, close to the scalp. Secure the weft firmly. Ensure it lies flat against your head for comfort and a natural look. Press down gently. Continue layering subsequent wefts. Create new sections about an inch above the previous one. Working your way up, this layering technique builds volume and length gradually, ensuring a smooth transition between your natural hair and the extensions. Once all wefts are in, it's time to blend. Use a wide-tooth comb or a blending brush to gently merge your hair with the extensions. Brush downwards from the roots, ensuring no harsh lines are visible. This creates a truly natural and undetectable finish. Now for the fun part, styling. You can curl, straighten, or braid your new, longer hair. The possibilities are endless. From sleek ponytails to bouncy waves, your extensions open up a world of new hairstyles. Experiment and find your favorite looks. To keep your extensions looking fabulous, proper maintenance is key. Wash them gently with sulfate-free products. Brush your hair regularly, starting from the ends and working your way up to prevent tangles and maintain smoothness. Before sleeping, loosely braid your hair or tie it in a low ponytail to prevent matting and prolong the life of your extensions. And here's the stunning after shot. Notice the incredible length, volume, and seamless blend. Absolutely gorgeous. You're now ready to rock your new look. Try it yourself and share your amazing results. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips.